The ultimate G2Acom reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're buying games online, most people get this wrong by paying full price or using unreliable sources. The surprising truth about G2Acom is that it's a digital marketplace where you can find keys, software, and in-game items at discounted prices, but you need to navigate it smartly to avoid pitfalls. First, create an account. You won't believe how simple the process is. Verify your email and set up two-factor authentication to secure your account from unauthorized access. Next, browse the marketplace. Most people get this wrong by ignoring seller ratings. Check reviews, reputation scores, and transaction history to ensure you're buying from trusted sellers. G also offers G Shield, an optional protection plan for safer purchases. Pay attention to deals and bundles. The surprising truth is that G frequently offers discounts on popular titles, sometimes up to 50% off, especially during seasonal sales. Compare prices carefully and read descriptions for region restrictions or activation requirements. Finally, redeem and enjoy. You won't believe how easy it is once you understand the process. Download codes, follow the platform-specific instructions, and keep digital receipts for future reference or support claims. In conclusion, G2Acom can help you access games and software for less while staying safe. By verifying sellers, using protection plans, monitoring deals, and redeeming properly, you can go from 0 to pro in online game purchases and enjoy your digital library without unnecessary risk.